birthday, my baby! Happy birthday! Yoo-hoo! Okay! We're going outside and buy something and shop. Ayan, guys. Ay, you're so tall. No, walang camera ko, babe, no? So blurred.
Yeah, I'll look it now.
Hey guys, dito na kami sa hotel. So ayan po yung nagkaya ng ating damit. Ayan, ito yung boyfriend ko mapogi. Say hi guys.
Hey guys.
Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning, good afternoon.
Good afternoon na pala. So, may layout dito. Ayan, emergency exit plan. It is important to have a hotel have emergency exit plan in case whatever happens, so you are aware what to do and where to go. And very secure yung lock. And then I think it's a very good furniture. Yes, and there is also a fire extinguisher. So, ayan. You should know how to use the fire extinguisher. Ayan yung gamit namin. Meron siya ditong kettle, electric kettle. Meron siyang glass, but we already use it. Yan. And then, here's my pogi boyfriend. He is shy. So, ayan po. Sofa, and yan, nag-breakfast na kami dyan. So, ayan. Ayan po yung itsura. Diba, guys? So, pogi. I love it, babe. Guys, ito yung sala. Ayan. So, take picture tayo. So, it's beautiful naman. Ayan. And then, here po yung bathroom and toilet. Here. So, beautiful din. Ayan, as you can see, madumi na. Ayan, guys. Meron siya dito mirror. Chadan! Chadan! I see somebody in the mirror! I see somebody in the mirror. Ayan yung shower, oh. The shower is good. Yan, may shampoo at may bath gel. Shampoo and conditioner mixed together. And then ito yung toilet. Ayan. So good naman, guys. So beautiful. Ayan. And I use this one, this blower. Once you take a bath to dry your hair, yan. So cute blower, no? Tadaan! Uy, pumayat na yata si Roxy. So dito na tayo. Back na tayo. Dito na tayo sa room. As you can see, ang ganda ng room. You feel so comfortable dito sa room. Yeah, very beautiful. Look, meron siyang chair. And then, ayan, gulo na. Kasi nakahiga na kami dyan. Nagulo na siya. Ayan. So beautiful po. Meron siyang television. Ayan, may television. There. And then, my mirror. Ayan, may mirror. Hindi kita yung aking face. Ayan, guys. Tadaan! Uy, sexy. Meron ditong secret, lagayan nyo ng important things like money or jewelry. Yeah. And then, meron ditong television. Ayan, guys. Ayan, meron siyang dalawang lamp. Ayan. So, that's all guys. Ayan, may lagayan pa dito sa cabinet. You can use this cabinet. Ayan, if you want to. Meron siyang convenience store sa baba. If you want to order. Ayan yung mga price niya. So, that's all for today. Para sa inyo, kung gusto niyo maghanap ng hotel, so I highly recommend Swiss Bell Hotel, Blue Lane, here in Chinatown. So beautiful. Ayan. Tadaan! Ate Roxy is in the mirror. Wow! Parang namayat na yata ako ah. Tadaan! Thank you for watching everyone. Hope you liked my video. And my boyfriend is waiting.